Rub this on your furniture and dust disappears like magic. Have you ever dusted your furniture only to see that thin gray layer come right back a day or two later? If it feels like dust always finds its way back, no matter how often you wipe things down, then stick around. Today, I'm going to share a simple little trick many people swear by, and it uses something you may already have in your laundry room: liquid fabric softener. Now, before we start, this is not about soaking your furniture or coating it with a heavy product. The secret lies in using a diluted mixture and applying only a tiny amount. When used properly, this solution can help reduce static, which is one of the main reasons dust clings to surfaces so easily. Instead of just wiping dust away, you're leaving behind a very thin finish that may help slow down how quickly dust settles again. To make the mixture, take a clean spray bottle and add 1 part liquid fabric softener to about 4 parts warm water. Choose a natural, eco-friendly fabric softener if possible, especially if you are sensitive to strong scents or prefer gentler cleaning products around the home. Shake the bottle gently to combine everything. And here's the important part: do not spray this directly onto your furniture. Instead, lightly spray a small amount onto a clean microfiber cloth. The cloth shouldn't be too wet, just slightly damp. If it feels soaked, you've used too much. You want just enough liquid to glide over the surface and pick up dust without leaving behind streaks or residue. Start by wiping down furniture in smooth, even motions. This works especially well on wood or laminate furniture, such as coffee tables, side tables, dressers, nightstands, and bookshelves. As you wipe, the microfiber cloth grabs the dust, while the diluted fabric softener helps reduce the static that can make dust cling in the first place. Once you've wiped the surface, flip the cloth to a dry section and gently buff the area. This step makes a big difference. Buffing removes any extra moisture, helps prevent a sticky finish, and leaves surfaces looking cleaner and more polished. You don't want the furniture to feel tacky afterward. If it does, that means you used too much solution and you should wipe it again with a clean, slightly damp cloth. This trick is also useful beyond furniture. You can use the same method on baseboards and crown molding, where dust tends to collect in those little edges and grooves. Lightly mist the cloth, wipe the surface, and then go over it with a dry section. Since baseboards often collect dust, pet hair, and little bits of debris, some people prefer to clean them first with a dry microfiber cloth or vacuum attachment before using the fabric softener mixture. Ceiling fans are another great place to try this. Fan blades attract dust quickly, and once they start spinning, that dust can spread around the room. Make sure the fan is turned off. Then use a lightly dampened microfiber cloth to wipe each blade carefully. After that, buff with a dry section. The goal is to remove the dust and leave behind a very light anti-static layer. You can also use this trick on window blinds. Blinds are one of those things that seem to collect dust overnight, especially near windows that are opened often. Spray the cloth and then wipe each slat gently. For very dusty blinds, you clean them first with a dry cloth or duster so you're not just pushing dirt around. And if you don't have liquid fabric softener on hand, you can use a dryer sheet instead. Just rub it lightly over the surface after dusting. Dryer sheets are often used for the same reason. They can help reduce static, which may make it harder for dust to cling right away. Whether you use the spray mixture or the dryer sheet method, this simple little trick can make your home look cleaner for longer, especially on the surfaces that seem to collect dust the fastest. Try it the next time you're dusting and see the difference for yourself. Of course, if you have wood, painted, or delicate surfaces, be sure to spot test a hidden area first. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip helpful, please give this video a like and share it with someone who loves simple home hacks. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a new post.